In this video, I'm going to show you how to use VT Markets. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to myaccount.vtmarkets.com, and of course, you want to sign into your account, and then the use of this platform is actually very simple. You can go ahead, click on the Home tab up top left, which is basically your Home tab, your main dashboard, and you can see a bunch of different things over here, some promos they're doing up here. You can basically get their app, etc. And over here, you can switch between your live and demo accounts, and you can even switch between MT4 and MT5, so it gets sorted like this. If you'd like to ever open a new demo account, you can click on Open Demo Account, and you can do that in here very easily. You can go to account over here, which is basically going to take to the same page as if you go to home. It's pretty much the same one. And if you go to funds, you have a few options. You can deposit funds in here. You can withdraw them after, of course, your account has been verified to the max. And then you can also transfer between different accounts. You can put in your payment details when this is going to load. There we go. Like this, as you can see, you can add a payment method just like that. You can go ahead and see your transaction history, etc. So there's a bunch of things you can do on here. Then inside downloads, you can go ahead and download your app for your mobile phone, or you can get access to MT4, which is MetaTrader 4, or MT5, which is MetaTrader 5, if you want to basically trade on these as well. Here, you can also see the download link for Alpha Generation, via which you can boost your trading with MT4 indicators. And yeah, that's pretty much what you can do on this page. And you can go to profile here as well. And inside profile, you can see your profile. You can see the security management on your profile as well over here. So in case you want to change anything, this is where you can actually do this. You can go to Pro Trader Tools, where you can see the analyst views, the market buzz, the economic calendar, etc. So a bunch of different useful things on here. You can click on VTrade, where you can basically become a provider or a follower if you'd like to do that, or you can just log into VTrade 2 in case you're interested into using that platform as well. You can see the promotions down here, where you can basically see your VPS refund. You can activate your, you can see your active trader program. You can refer a friend, you can get a copy shield, etc. So there's a bunch of things you can do. And down here, you can also activate and get your Club Blue Pass. As you can see, this is what it does. You can read all about it. And if you want to contact support, you can do that at the bottom over here by seeing your tickets or contacting them directly via one of these methods over here. Now, up top, you can also see there's a button which says Trade on TradingView, so you can click on that and you'll be directed to basically a site where you can sign into your live account with MT4 or MT5. And then you can basically use TradingView to trade on VT Markets, or you can go ahead and start depositing by clicking deposit up here, which basically takes you to the same page as if you were to go to deposit funds here on the left. You can also change your language up here top right, and on here you can see your profile number and then your verification status, and you can log out of your account in case you'd want to do this as well. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.